Hey girlfriends, and welcome back to my channel, Find Coils. It is your girl Sharice, the one and only, and I did a little something new. You guys, let me know if you like it.
I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me.
Yeah, so I made a new intro, and if you guys like it, please comment down below. If you don't like it, hey, comment down below and let me know. Give me some feedback, you know? Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Anyways, you guys have seen from the title and the thumbnail that we are doing a wash and go. If you guys missed my Battle of the Brushes video or my moisture video, please, they are in the description box below. Go ahead and click away, but not before you finish watching this video. That's right. Alright, so although my hair looks super dry, it is not. It is moisturized. And we are starting off on damp hair. My favorite way to start with my wash and goes, that is. So I am introducing a new product to you guys. Well, new to you on my channel. This is the Afro-G's Curlerific Curl Definer. And this is a cream, as you can see. But it really defines my curls, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this today, and I am pairing it with one of my bays that also hasn't been around in quite some time. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster in the Sugar Melon scent. So I am going to be pairing these two together. So this video went south very quickly, and to be quite honest, I came very close to deleting all of this footage. But I was like, you know, win or fail, I wanted to be authentic. So this is definitely a fail, but this is as authentic as it gets, you guys. So I am dampening my hair a little bit more to see if that is going to help. I'm noticing that water and product isn't really penetrating anymore, and my hair is just really frizzy and fluffy and too soft, and that's why I broke out the curl definer instead of a regular leave-in or cream that I would use. And my strong holding gel, this is my last attempt to see what was really going on with my hair, and I'm starting to think that I'm suffering from moisture overload and a little Hygral fatigue. So that's also why this video was late. I just needed to take a break as well. So I'm trying to work the product in. I'm trying to get some curl definition, some curl poppage going on. As y'all see, I'm using both detanglers. And I almost broke out my Denman brush too, but I just couldn't find it. But I'm now putting some of the gel on top of that, and like I said, for my face, it's not going well, you know. And I don't know what to do. Like I'm trying to shingle. I'm trying the coil method. I think I have Hygral fatigue. I think that's what's going on here. So I am going to do my best to salvage this video for you guys, but just watch. Alrighty, so I am interested to see how this will dry. I've never actually paired this styler with this gel, and I didn't even test it, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I might end up having flaking, and this might be a huge and total fail, but we will find that out together now, won't we? Yes, we will. And you guys have seen me do wash and goes a million times, so I'm going to go ahead and do my wash and go, and I will let you guys see the end results. And if this fails, you guys will get to see it, okay? Be back in Jeff. So I don't know if you guys can tell from my face or my energy, but my hair lately has been really tripping. Like, just look, like there's definition, but at the same time there's so much frizz and just untamedness. Like, I'm really gonna do my best, but my hair needs so much help, y'all. It just needs so much help. Surprisingly, you guys, these are my end results. I did have flaking. I did have frizz. You can kind of see it in the middle of my hair. And I'm going to turn all the way around and you'll be able to see the back as well. But I did have to go over those front pieces with a little bit more gel. And after an entire day of air drying, my hair is still wet in some areas. So yeah, I think I'm starting to get a little bit of Hygral Fatigue. So I have to really incorporate protein. I've got to do some bentonite clay masks, but yeah. But just wait till you guys see the next day. Like, it looked atrocious, and I really just smiled and went to church like what? And it's still kind of wet. Like, my hair just needs help, y'all. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.